What's up, guys? It's your boy Jay So Smooth. Back at another video, man. So today we finna be doing, a little MUKBANG with my sister, tell y'all about her, So I want y'all guys to go follow her on her Instagram and get her to, how much you got on Instagram?
Give me to like 4,000.
Yeah, get to like 4,000. You already know. And I want y'all guys to follow our family channel, the Sanders family, because we be living on that channel too, though. But yeah, so guys.
Yeah, and my Instagram is NYESHALAMBERT5.
Yeah, so that's Instagram. But so guys, basically, we'll tell them about you now.
My name is Naisha, or whatever like that. And we mostly go to the same school. Most of the people, most of the people that watch our family, they like from other schools or from our school, whatever. So yeah, and I live today.
That's all. What's up, basically? I haven't posted in like for 3 days now. My bad for that, because like I said in the previous video, my speaker and my phone, it had went out. Like it stopped working. So that's why. So that's why I'm not vlogging with that one, and I haven't been posting. But I know I had to get y'all with this video because man, this is gonna be a banger. Yeah, but I need a haircut, bro. But I'm woofing right now, so I'll be good.
You just got my hair done, y'all.
Yeah, but I'll be good. But
blue braids.
I forgot my do-rag, though. You know my do-rag hat? But is it at grandma's house?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my do-rag at grandma's house. Well, and my yellow do-rag that I was wearing last video, that whatever, I think it's in the washer. I'm washing it because it got dirty when I was playing basketball. So yeah, like that. Yeah, y'all already know about me, so I already made that video, so like that. You got anything you want to tell me? Like, like what you like to do and stuff like that?
Dance, sing, rap. I like to do smashes too.
Yeah.
So yeah, I go to my grandma's house just to do like dub smashes with my cousin. So I think she coming over here this weekend, or I think we faded Lockwood this weekend, or we got to fade the mall.
Yeah, guys, I'm just a
so if y'all wanna fade with us, come fade, and we'll be there.
Yo.
But yo, I got some
what's that?
Cheeseburger. Double cheeseburger and the high spicy. The reason why I got double cheeseburger because I really don't need these 2 burgers because I don't even eat that much. I don't eat that much, but I have some with no onions because I hate onions and tomatoes, and I kind of hate pickles. So y'all don't eat McDonald's.
I mean,
it's children.
I mean, McDonald's is good, but at the same time it's bad. But I just like they hot spices and they fries.
Oh, their fries are good, but these fries are weird. They taste old.
Oh, it is weird. But yeah.
I like my salty. And when I was born and raised,
Well, me and my sister, we probably got Puerto Rican inside us. So.
Yeah, we mix with a lot of stuff.
So yeah. So basically, my dad is currently from the Virgin Islands. So that's where he's currently from. And my grandma, she's
like, from Puerto Rico.
Yeah, and she's like, not to be racist, but like she's white and she got like hair all the way down to her
back. But I think she passed away. Like.
She passed away?
Yeah, she passed away.
Dang, I didn't even know that.
Yeah. Like, it was last year.
Last year? I didn't even know. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But yeah, I think she got cause she had surgery. She had to get her leg cut off or whatever.
Her leg?
Yeah. And it got infected. I think she died. She passed away or whatever like that. I think she passed away the same around the same season Kendall passed away.
Nah, because Kendall, he passed away about to be 2 years.
Oh yeah, she passed away like 2018.
You know, so
I really did have. I was like, oh, but I really wasn't that emotional because like she lived in Puerto Rico and I didn't get to see her that much. So like, it's like I basically didn't know her. I think I only saw her one time.
Yeah, I probably saw her like twice.
Yeah, I saw her twice because she lived with my auntie and she was in the hospital like I think the next year after that or a couple years after that. But yeah, I'm not gonna care. I'm not even hungry.
No.
No.
Mhm.
I'm thirsty. I want my drink. Yeah.
I'm gonna get the big red.
So yeah, but he went to get our big red. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat at Queen_NYESHA, Queen Naisha, Queen_Naisha. So yeah. So yeah.
Well, basically, I'm enjoying this food though.
So yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, a couple of my fries fell on the floor. But it was like 1, 2, 3, 4. Four of my fries fell on the floor. But I got a little bit here. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
So, I think you put on truth to there.
Well, we gonna do that in the next video. Today we just like a little mukbang, you feel me? Yeah, babe. Be ready for that video, cause the truth for there, I'm trying to tell you, they're gonna be lit. Basically, y'all wanna, yeah, y'all gonna be lit. But I want y'all to follow me on Instagram, j.thushu. Follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. And I guess give me up to like, I say, she said what, 4K?
Yeah.
I'd probably say give me up to like 5 or 4, one of them. But give me up, you know, j.thushu. Follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. And I guess give me up to like, I say, she said what, 4K?
Yeah.
I'd probably say give me up to like 5 or 4, one of them. But give me up, you know.
Give me up to 4,000. Cause I think I got 1,000.
1,000? Yeah. I got like what? 1,000 or something? 2,000?
I think I got like a 400 or 1,000. Now I got like 1,000 something because a lot of people follow me back to back. Cause I put my page on private because, you know, some grown people be trying to talk to me or whatever. And I be like, no, I'm too young. And I look cute, but, you know. But yeah.
Yeah.
Boom. So yeah. Yeah, I got my hair done like, I think it was like last week, I think. And my head is shaped so weird, like but y'all, we will be just to let y'all know, my grandma, she will be cooking crawfish. It's like Byron materials, but it's not Byron materials.
Well, yeah. Yeah, I know what that is.
It's
Probably
in,
like
it's in Pure Valley.
yeah, probably like an hour away from here. Well, I'll stay. So guys,
Yeah, it's like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but it's not 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So.
yeah. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank y'all. Well, I ain't finished my burger yet, but finish that later. But thank y'all for watching my video. And like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. And I want y'all guys to hit that bell, man. And man, you know, we out. Peace.
Peace.